Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to Campus to Career. This is your host Saqib Abdo. We welcome to you at Muhammad Ali Jinnah University, Karachi, Maju. In this program, we invite our distinguished alumni who are serving globally in different organizations and companies. Of course, they have all that जो आज की इस इंडस्ट्री उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करती है आफ्टर देयर ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम माजू. आजकल वो कहाँ है, उनकी जर्नी कैसी रही है, और वो आज जब अपने अल्मा मैटर, अपने मादरे इल्मी में वापस हैं, तो वो क्या सोचते हैं इस माजू के बारे में, इसके दरो दीवार के बारे में, एंड द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड, द जर्नी बिहाइंड दे हैव लेफ्ट. मैं चाहूँगा कि बिफोर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ आवर टुडेज गेस्ट स्पीकर, लेट्स वॉच आउट दिस a beautiful package of his journey. उसके बाद वापस आते हैं और अपनी गुफ्तगू का बाकायदा आगाज़ करते हैं. This is a tribute package of profile of our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Adil Sheikh Mohammed.
With over 15 years of professional expertise, he has built an impressive career in cybersecurity, network administration, and digital defense. From working with global clients such as Shell Middle East and Etisalat, to serving in senior roles at Omnix International and Saxon Software, Keystrike Middle East, across the United Arab Emirates, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and beyond, his journey reflects excellence, innovation, and leadership. He is also a certified professional holding more than 50 industry credentials, including CISSP, CISM, PMP, and CEH. Beyond the corporate world, he is also an accomplished author of books titled as AI-Driven Transformation of Security Operations Centers and AI and Us, The Ethical Choices. He has also shared his insights at some of the world's leading forums, including RSA Conference, GISEC, and GITEX. Currently pursuing a doctorate in business administration with research focused on the impact of AI on security operations centers, he brings deep knowledge, practical experience, and thought leadership to today's discussion. Stay tuned as he shares valuable insights on cybersecurity, AI ethics, and career growth. A must-listen for students and young professionals preparing for the future of technology and security. Today, we are honored to feature none other than our very own proud alumnus, Sheikh Mohammed Adil, who graduated with a BS in telecommunications in 2014 from Muhammad Ali Jinnah University.
जी जनाब, तो अब आपको ऑफ कोर्स अंदाज़ा है, यू नो अबाउट द एंटायर ब्यूटीफुल ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ द जर्नी ओनली. लेकिन जब हमारे पास गेस्ट स्पीकर खुद मौजूद हैं तो क्यों ना उन्हें वेलकम किया जाए और उनसे बातचीत की जाए टू हाईलाइट एंड टू डिस्कस इट इन डिटेल एंड डेप्थ. सो लेट मी इनवाइट विदाउट अ फर्दर डू Mr. Sheikh Adil Mohammed. कैसे हैं सर?
Thank you.
Welcome to Maju.
Thank you, Saqib.
After a long awaited years, I must say you graduated in 2013 from Telecom Engineering Department. कैसा लग रहा है आज अपने अल्मा मैटर में वापस आना सर?
It's lovely, you know, all those memories, lovely memories. Maju was like our home, you know.
It's like homecoming?
Exactly, you know, we were part of so many communities, so, you know, sometimes we are leaving Maju at 8 or 9 p.m. in the evenings, you know. And sometimes evening classes also, you know. So it was like amazing to come back, and especially seeing the other blocks, you know. Block D is a new for me. At that time it was only block A, B and C.
थोड़ा मंजर बताए ना, क्या क्या कुछ उस वक्त था और नया आज आपने विजिट करते हुए क्या कुछ देखा है माजू में?
Exactly. So उस वक्त like these changes were starting, you know, like block C हमारे सामने बना, you know, so stairs नहीं होती थी. I remember वहाँ पे, you know, बस वो एक मट्टी का ही वो एक स्लोप सा होता था.
अच्छा.
और यू नो वहाँ से ही फिर हम वो जो न्यू पार्किंग है दैट वाज आल्सो
भी करते थे एक तरीके से.
दैट वाज आल्सो कच्चा, तो यू नो सारा रमल होता था, बट इट वाज अमेजिंग, यू नो, टू सी माजू माशाल्लाह ट्रांसफॉर्म अ लॉट, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, इन अ पॉजिटिव वे.
इंडीड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. अब मैं ये ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगा, एट द टाइम यू ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम माजू, what was the scenario of job market? क्या माजू से निकलते ही फॉरेन जॉब्स आपके लिए अवेलेबल थी? उस वक्त का सिनेरियो क्या था? और मोस्ट ऑफ देम प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो ऑफ कोर्स अब इसको एक डेकेड हो गया है एंड प्लस 2013 में आप ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं, और जो इवॉल्व हुआ है या चीज़ें जो हैं वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई हैं, वो बहुत तेज़ी से हुई हैं उसके बाद. तो क्या कुछ उस वक्त माहौल था, आज क्या सिचुएशन आप देख रहे हैं? व्हाट इज कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस?
या सो गुड क्वेश्चन. आई मस्ट से कि पहले भी कॉम्पिटिटिव था और आज तो मज़ीद ज़्यादा है. वाई? बिकॉज वी हैव AI इन प्लेस, वी हैव ATS systems in place with HR and recruitment. So it's tougher now, but the thing which helped me and others also in my circle is either the network, networking. As you mentioned, that networking is net worth, right? Network
your
is
network is your net worth,
100%.
right?
So that is really required, and plus your merit. So what else you have done outside university, or even in university, what other projects you have done, right? What societies you are part of, what extracurricular you are doing. So that is really required. Otherwise, like if you are sitting, you are applying for a position which require graduation, and so all 1500 are graduate, right? If the 1500 are applying, so what is the edge? Like आपने ऐसा अलग क्या किया है जिसकी वजह से you can shine amongst those, right? So that is really required. That can be certification, that can be apprenticeship, that can be internships, right? That can be these societies, these communities. That can be something which you can showcase to add value, right? And that need to be on your CV so that आप थोड़ा सा उससे अलग हो. You are an edge when they are seeing 1500 CVs. And similarly, these recruitment platforms can also distinguish between them versus you.
You have, mashallah, an incredible profile portfolio that we have already shared, strategic, award winning in your field. मैं ये चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा आप इस जर्नी को भी हाईलाइट कीजिए. शिफ्ट फ्रॉम telecom engineering and telecom BS, और समवेयर और अदर इट्स ऑफ कोर्स अ कॉम्बो, कोई कनेक्शन तो है, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा आप अपनी जर्नी को भी हमें शेयर कीजिए कि साइबर सिक्योरिटी की तरफ ये शिफ्ट, it was a 4C or what?
Yeah, so basically telecommunication, when I joined, like I was doing telecommunication, there was many subjects.
By the way, it was by choice or by chance? Telecom?
By choice. That was by choice.
Okay, good.
So at that time 3G, 4G ka kafi, it was going all over the places. But I was majorly focusing on telecommunication and networks, because telecom is a part of networks. Indeed. Right? Telecom is a big umbrella, I must say, right? In short, it's telecommunication only, in networking also. So computer networking I'm talking about. So with that said, जब computer networking को as a field choose किया after telecommunication engineering, because there were so many network subjects, taught in Maju. Or luckily my father used to run a computer training institute. So from day first I have seen the computers.
Good.
Like first computer came in my father's institute was in 1986, whereas my birth is many years after. तो like आँख खोलते ही हमने वहाँ पे computers देखे.
Good.
I was into teaching and all, so that's why like
जाओ खेलो computers से.
exactly ऐसा ही था.
You had a toy.
True. तो computers, networks इसका already एक था, और telecom as I said कि वो part of network. So many network courses हमने किए यहाँ से. तो I started as a network engineer. System, network, servers, or like starting from help desk obviously. Right. That is like the basics need to be clear, right? Either you are going up, or at the same time I did some certifications. ठीक है. So whenever whoever sees my CV, they say that you have a network CV. Even my degree says telecommunication engineering, but it was network. Fast forward, I went to Dubai as a network engineer. I was practicing the same, but then I realized when I was on an annual vacation here, कि I need to be doing some specialization. आज का दौर सिर्फ specialization का. If you don't like do one thing but good, right? Or best, right? जितना आप अच्छा कर सकते हो करो उस एक ही फील्ड में, सब फील्ड में.
So it's a change. अब jack of all trades, master of none वाला
ये
concept
चक्कर नहीं
खत्म
रहा.
है.
Exactly, बिल्कुल नहीं रहा.
Now you need to be master of one.
100%.
Jack of all trades, but master of one.
100%.
At least.
Exactly. So जो jack of all trade वाला चक्कर वो है कि you have those basics, like help desk experience, system experience, network experience. True. And then I choose, like I did one certification which is CEH, Certificate in Ethical Hacking. Right. I'm sure cybersecurity guys can relate to it. So just after that, I transitioned into cybersecurity. So the first job was with a distributor in Dubai, which is a vendor, which was acting as a vendor also for cybersecurity product. So from there onward, it's all about cybersecurity, and that is around like 10 years now, 10 plus years into only cybersecurity and AI.
Acha, I'm sure you must have heard about the development in our domain of part of life, rather. This part of world is now working on short courses and quick courses and fast-paced tracks and degree programs in AI and cybersecurity. And you did it 10 years, a decade ago. Are we late? हम बहुत लेट हैं या हमें हमारा जो इस वक्त करिकुलम है वो ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स पे हम अपने करिकुलम को कहाँ देखते हैं? Have you checked out Pakistan's approach towards this?
I would not say we are late because we are already offering artificial intelligence and cybersecurity graduation programs. So we are not late, but I must say कि as I mentioned earlier कि you have to do something else. ठीक है, वो आप CV में आप सिंपल ग्रेजुएशन नहीं शो कर सकते, इवन इफ इट्स इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी, इवन इफ इट्स इन AI, इवन इफ इट्स इन डाटा साइंस, मास्टर्स और व्हाटएवर. You have to show something which not others are doing. So skills are very much important. Yes, if Maju is offering more courses into these related fields and you can gather as many certificates as you can in those 4 years, 2 years, 1 year, whatever, that's really appreciated and amazing,
Right.
That will help you to land those dream job which you are looking for.
Right. So by this you have already answered my next question जो मैं पूछना चाहता था कि of course what and how the fresh grads should prepare themselves for the market. Okay.
So and not only technical skills but also soft skills. I always say that there's a code now that you are only 15% technical, right? 85% is communication skill.
True.
So like and technicalities can be anywhere. Like it's not only about engineering, it can be business, it can be medical, whatever. But you have to be a good communicator. वो एक forefront पे आपको खेलना है. You are from media, you know how important it is, right?
Very true.
So that's really required because every CEO is a salesman, right? तो अब आप CV भी लेके जाते हो तो you are selling yourself, right? तो how you will sell when you cannot speak, right? So soft skills पे please pay attention. And not only and sometimes I'm sure everybody has seen it कि बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्निकल बंदा होता है, more certification होते हैं लेकिन किसी और को जॉब मिल जाती है. Why? Because he's like outreaching a lot, he has a good network, or or he's outspoken, right? So communication is always helping. Leadership skills, negotiation skills, they are really really important. So they need to be
Of course, to endorse you और एक HR practitioner के मैं कोट करूँगा यहाँ बात जो उन्होंने मुझे समझाने के लिए कि the very first question when interviewer ask कि please introduce yourself, तो उस वक्त वो CV आपका सारी चीज़ें उसके पास मौजूद है लेकिन पहला सवाल वो ये इसलिए कर रहा है कि he or she needs to check your communication skills. अगर आप अपने आप को बता सकते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं तो you can do it anything.
100%. And just to add, cultural fit.
Sure.
There's a complete interview rounds dedicated to cultural fit. We just need to check that if he's a cultural fit guy or not, right, or girl or not. So this is really required, and internationally more, man, because like I'm sure you have heard that in interviews they did not ask any technical question. They just see the CV and they are asking how are you,
Exactly.
how's you doing, how's your family, right?
Exactly.
So they are checking if you are cultural fit or not, because they know the technicalities वो आपको आके भी सिखा देंगे, right? उनका अपना training program or whatever it is. So globally it's really important to have better communication skills, better leadership skills, how you are leading it, and work ethics. It's really important.
Really important.
And frankly speaking, I feel there's a lack in work ethics, because like हम sorry to say हम sometimes जान छुड़ाना चाह रहे होते हैं कुछ tasks पे, right? जो एक task ownership है, that is really important. Like जो मैंने international market में experience की, it's unmatched, right? Like there is like now I see that after 10-12 years कि यहाँ पे बहुत बढ़ गई है, but it was not there at that time, और काफ़ी less थी. Like लोग कहते हैं यार just tick कर दो, काम हो गया, let's move to another one. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Like take the full responsibility. These are some skills which are really required globally.
Good. Since I have a long list to compliment you, लेकिन 2 compliments मैं आपको ज़रूर देना चाहूँगा. Guys, I've never seen this detailed form of LinkedIn profile anyone before Adil साहब. वेरी मच डिटेल, इवन इनके स्कूल्स और कॉलेज टाइम के सर्टिफिकेशंस, इनकी डिफरेंट एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एंड को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ के विद द नंबर्स यू विल फाइंड एवरीथिंग. इतना डिटेल्ड प्रोफाइल, और ये आई एम श्योर कि लिंक्डइन को इस सारी चीज़ के डिटेल्स का देना भी ऑफ कोर्स इट मैटर्स अ लॉट व्हाइल यू आर इन HR.
So I must say कि मुझे like I think other than my first job मुझे सारी jobs LinkedIn से मिली हैं.
ओके.
LinkedIn works magic for me. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब LinkedIn is not only your CV, it's networking also, right? So you have to network there. Like it's an amazing platform if you ask me. और internationally बहुत चलता है. Like you know, whoever call me for something, they say that you know we got your profile from LinkedIn.
जी.
Right? So we came to know from LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is an amazing tool. Just outreach, man. घबराए नहीं, बैठे नहीं. Like you know, outreach में क्या है? Maximum no हो जाएगा, right? There are some challenges out there which say that I need to have 500 rejections. Just take as a challenge that I need to take 500 rejections. Right, and I will start from today. So no. This is like ticking your boxes. तो आपको ego hurt नहीं होगी.
Good.
You got the point.
Yes.
So inshallah very soon, like you will never reach 500. You will get the yes before that.
Of course, इंशाल्लाह. और मैंने deliberately LinkedIn का ये जिक्र इसलिए किया है कि to urge you, to recommend you, to advise you, please do it right now. दूसरा compliment, writing a book. It's very important, I guess. Being a learned academy या आपकी जो कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर किसी भी आप फील्ड में अपने एक्सपोजर को, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को, अपनी नॉलेज को इन बुक फॉर्म लाना, एक नहीं 2 बुक्स हैं आपकी. मैं चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में भी हमारे व्यूवर्स को आप बताइए. योर बुक्स ऑल अबाउट एंड देन वी आर wrapping up the show.
Sure. So Saqib, first book was in AI transformation of SOC, Security Operation Centers.
Okay.
Cybersecurity guys can relate to it. Basically, my idea was how I can simplify cybersecurity. Like, and obviously, my peers and my supervisors, they say that that's a very big fish to fry. You cannot, you know, like, because बहुत बड़ा topic and you have to do primary research. My doctorate is also going on the same field.
Right.
So then I, you know, narrow it down to AI, that how AI is transforming security operation centers, SOCs, right? So that was the first book. Then the second book was all about AI and ethics.
Okay.
The human element. So the book का नाम है AI and Us.
Okay.
You know, AI and humans, us. The ethical choices. You know, the accountability issue, the biasness issues, and all that is covered. That's a thin book, around 100 pages, less than that. Then the first book which I wrote, AI Transformation SOC, when I was reading it again, I thought that everything is obsolete already. You know, AI is moving at that rapid scale. So then I wrote another version of the first book that is around completely rewrite and with the use cases, with the practical approaches that what one can do to simplify and to transform their legacy SOCs or cybersecurity as a whole. So इस तरीके से, and now I'm working on another book which is which is for layman. So you know how to be safe in digital world, how to be safe in an AI world.
Wow.
And that I'm writing with one of the co-author who is an AI expert himself. So you
this
know,
is need of time, sir. Just do it. This is need of time. Before wrapping it up, मैं एक सेगमेंट की तरफ जाना चाहूँगा, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल उससे पहले एक आखिरी सवाल कर लेते हैं. डबल चेक का हमारा सेगमेंट है, उस पर आखिर में आते हैं. I want you to please share how an alumni can contribute to the alma mater back.
Yeah, so like who are in Karachi, उनके लिए तो बहुत अच्छी opportunity है. They can come to these podcasts, they can be a part of the FM, you know, and they can have like being a guest speaker. There are hundreds of opportunity. आप लोग के forums, आप लोग की meetings, conferences होती रहती हैं. Be a part of it. और जो internationally हैं, they can also contribute. You know, आप लोग का like you guys are digital first nowadays, right? So ये virtual हो सकता है, guest speaker session हो सकते हैं, webinars हो सकते हैं. You can dedicate one slot per week or per month and just give it to your university, man, right? So they can rotate in different classes, the same session, or you know, if you have more time, you can ask for a dedicated course, 2 months, 3 months certification program.
Good.
So in any way or form, you need to contribute back.
Of course. Be a referral, be a recommendation for internships, openings, and sky is the limit, of course. You're more than welcome. Your alma mater is your place. So please आते जाते रहिए. डबल चेक सेगमेंट की तरफ बढ़ते हुए मैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूंगा दिल आपको कि बेसिकली इस सेगमेंट में ये चाहता हूँ कि आपके एसएमएस पे व्हाट्सएप पे आने वाली हर खबर बग़ैर तहकीक और तस्दीक के आगे नहीं जानी चाहिए. उससे पहले आप डबल चेक कर लें. सो आई हैव टू डबल चेक विद द एक्सपर्ट. सर, एक एसएमएस व्हाट्सएप बड़ा वायरल हुआ कि एआई आप सबकी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की जो ह्यूमन जॉब्स हैं उन सबको खा जाएगी. बीइंग एन एक्सपर्ट, योर इनपुट ऑन दिस.
Obviously not. You know, I will go with this approach कि AI is increasing jobs, not eating. It's eating job for someone who don't know AI. So just utilize AI. AI को use करते हुए आप आगे बढ़ें. And like, because upgradation is required, man. Like in today's days and age, you cannot say कि मैं graduate हो गया. नहीं भाई, like you have to, like till today I'm doing at least one certification every 6 months.
Right.
Industrial certifications.
Great.
They are required. Otherwise, as I said, देखें 2 साल के अंदर मुझे बुक का सेकेंड एडिशन लिखना पड़ गया. अब जस्ट इमेजिन अगर कोई 10 साल पुरानी बुक है तो उसका क्या हाल होगा इन टुडेज डेट एंड एज, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी ऑन दैट एज. टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, देखें अब फॉर एग्जांपल द डेटा सेंटर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस व्हिच आर गोइंग ऑन वर्ल्ड वाइड, as per NVIDIA CEO, they say that this is one of the biggest in the world. There is energy sector, then there is chip sector, then there is data center, then there are these applications. So there are a lot of things one can do. Even if he's a business side guy,
Right.
nobody is stopping him to use AI. Like AI is just like, you know, Google CEO, I'm sure you have heard about him, that he said that AI is just like electricity.
Yes.
Right? So you have to use AI in any way or form. So yeah, definitely अगर कोई जो है वो बैठ के, you know, he just doing content creation or like, no, not content creation, but he's like you know, just typing some stuff, or कोई content writer है, कोई sort of, या कोई translator है for example, he need to upskill, man. Right? Otherwise definitely AI will eat his job. But it's not about that, you know, like it will replace every human.
हाँ, कोर कॉन्सेप्ट इज अल्टीमेटली योर्स. प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर फिर भी इंसान है और उसकी पैराफ्रेजिंग आपको करनी है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट बी डिपेंडेंट. अकल के लिए नकल, जो बात कहते हैं, नकल के लिए अकल की ज़रूरत है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस फॉर दिस पॉडकास्ट. स्टिल ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट टू आस्क एंड अ लॉट टू डिस्कस, लेकिन वी आर वाइंडिंग इट अप. लेकिन बिफोर दैट, माइक इज ओपन फॉर यू. एनी फाइनल कमेंट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट, कोई मैसेज फॉर आवर फ्रेश ग्रेड्स?
In cybersecurity world, it's all about that stay safe, stay resilient. ठीक है, bounce back करना है हर चीज़ के साथ. And you know, digitally stay safe, and not only for you but for youngers also. Like आप स्टूडेंट हो तो आपसे छोटा शायद कोई भाई बहन हो, राइट? आप पेरेंट हो तो आपके बच्चे, राइट? तो लाइक जो भी आपसे यंगर है उसको डिजिटली सेफ रखने का प्लीज़ ट्राई टू फाइंड द मेथड. It's really, really important. Otherwise, you know, how many spams, how many phishing attacks, how many deep fakes are going on in the market.
Thank you very much. So it was all about for today, from campus to career. We had a wonderful discussion. Hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Please do write to us about your feelings, your recommendations, your questions. Mr. Adil Sheikh Mohammed was one of our guest speakers today. Inshallah, we'll invite you alumni as well to this hot seat. Do join us for that. Before that, me, Saqib Abdo, signing out. Inshallah, see you in other podcast.